GVK Bio is a leading contract research and development organization that provides drug discovery, development, and manufacturing solutions to the life sciences industry. As the partner of choice for both big pharma and leading biotechs worldwide, GVK Bio, over the past 2 decades, has assisted innovators advance programs from concept to commercialization. GVK Bio supports its partners with 2 state-of-the-art development and manufacturing sites. These world-class facilities are further augmented with one of the best analytical development centers in the world. Complementing this world-class infrastructure is a strong process development team of over 150 process chemists and engineers who focus on phase-appropriate development to optimize customer chemistries for speed and cost. The facility supplies starting materials, key starting materials, regulated starting materials, intermediates, and finished APIs for innovative clients across North America, Europe, and Asia. The GMP Manufacturing and Development Unit located in Hyderabad benefits from one of the largest hubs for healthcare in India. Equipped with stainless steel, glass-lined, haste alloy, and Halar-coated vessels, it can perform the most challenging chemistries. The facility is equipped with class 100,000 clean rooms, a separate powder processing area, and a standout QC lab that includes stability chambers and microbiology. Dedicated HPAPI facility with reactors, isolators, and engineering controls supply potent APIs of up to 1 microgram per cubic meter. The second manufacturing site is located in Visakhapatnam, the leading life science manufacturing hub in India. Located close to the coast, Vizag, as it is commonly known, is well connected by air, rail, and freight. Spread over several acres with significant room for expansion, the Vizag location is expected to become the future manufacturing center of excellence for GVK Bio. The current Vizag footprint includes 2 GMP production blocks with a total reactor capacity of over 90 kiloliters. GVK Bio currently supports over 60 active innovator NCE programs, with around 20 in either late-stage development or in the commercial phase, and we expect to assist with 3 new NCE launches in the upcoming year. This rapid growth has been made possible by a stellar quality group with an exemplary track record of compliance, with approvals from several leading regulatory agencies around the globe. We invite you to visit us and our teams in Hyderabad and Vizag and experience why over 400 biotechs and 7 of the 10 top pharmaceutical companies call GVK Bio their partner of choice for chemical development and manufacturing.